Welcome back today, guys. What we got here is an iPhone X. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace this screen here. First, you can tell it's glitching, so we're going to go ahead and shut that off. And I'm going to show you guys how to replace this phone. So we'll start off as usual. We got our two pentalobe screws here. We'll go ahead and take those out. Once we go ahead and get those removed, we'll go ahead and grab our accessmo tool. Try to get in between the LCD and the frame. We just create a little gap like that. We'll get our little pick here and just kind of work our way around. Just loosen up the clips. And then the iPhone should open up this way, guys. So this has been replaced before. As I can tell, there's a screw missing here. These are all just Y-tips. So we'll go ahead and remove those. There's actually two screws missing. So then we'll go ahead and unplug the battery. First thing you want to do. Got our display cable up here. Or not display, sorry, our front speaker. And then you got your two cables down here, okay? That's for your LCD. Go ahead. Loosen it up, remove that. Get that screw out, and we'll take this and get it out of the way. Pretty simple, so all we have to do is remove the three top screws and transfer the earpiece over. Just like that. Go ahead, grab our tweezers. And we'll go ahead and remove this earpiece so we can transfer it over to the new screen. Just slowly lift it up. Go ahead and get that bracket out of there. That's your earpiece. So now that we're done with this screen here, we'll go ahead and remove it. Got our new screen right here, guys. Usually it comes with this plastic. We'll go ahead and remove that. Replacing this phone is pretty easy for the screen. All we're transferring is one piece. So the hard part, or the tricky part, is just to figure out how to open the phone, just so we can get access to this. So once we get this in there, all we gotta do is just line everything up. Lay our top speaker back down and go ahead and put our screws back in. This is typically an easy fix. Skill level, you're probably looking around 4. Like I said, the only tricky part is figuring out how to open the phone. Once you get that phone open, everything else is pretty standard. Apple's made it pretty easy. There's not too many things you gotta do. You just gotta transfer over this piece. Once we're finished with that, we'll go ahead and bring our motherboard back over. And we'll go ahead and lay these cables back in. Start with plugging in the front top speaker cable. And then we'll go ahead and plug in these two display cables. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. It's a nice quick rundown tutorial. If you guys found any useful information on this, feel free to hit the like and subscribe and follow me, guys. I got new content coming out all the time. Be going and fixing phones, so if you follow me, you can watch all my videos on how to do repairs, especially if you're starting a cell phone business or whatnot. A lot of my videos are pretty standard, straightforward. We just go ahead and wait for that to turn on. Everything looks good right now. That's what you want to see. So once you see that, we'll go ahead Test the screen. Everything seems to be good. So we'll go ahead and put everything back in. Basically right now we're just doing everything back in reverse, so we'll go ahead and put these screws back in. After you get these screws back in, basically all you gotta do is just cover the phone, close the phone back up, and you'll be good to go. Again, there was a couple missing screws here, so we'll fill back in what we got. Once you get all that, we'll go ahead, fit the top in first, and just slowly just clip your screen back in there, just like that. Put your 2 pentalobes back in. And the phone is done. Again guys, if this was helpful, hit the like and subscribe and follow me, guys. And that's it for the iPhone X. Nice quick little tutorial. Hope that helped. Hope you liked it. iPhone X screen replacement, guys. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.